Yes. Like taken online courses from other platform as well. But when I compare those program with your program, it is totally different. So when I saw the techniques which you're given to develop the website, now like whoever is going to see my website, they will tell, "Yeah, wow, beautiful! You've done a very good."
Now you are the director of.
Now I'm a CEO.
Yeah,
I'm a CEO of my.
you're the director. Okay, how many times it is powerful when compared to upgrad or any other degree educations and everything?
Yeah, it is 1,000 times.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you. It really means a lot. Hi everyone, meet Sandeep. He's from Bangalore. He's a digital nomad and he got his first client in just 28 days starting the program. So Sandeep, is that true?
Yes. Hi, Bipin. I got my first client when I was on the 20th day of my journey, Nomad journey.
Wow, amazing. Can you believe this?
Yes, I do. Actually, I started approaching from day one only, but
it took a little time. Got nice. So tell me how you got started with this program. You know, what's your how is the journey so far?
yeah, actually, I'm wanted to shift from traditional marketing to digital marketing from last 2 to 3 years. I'm trying, keep on trying. But when I saw your reel in Instagram, so like I decided I'm going to connect your webinar with your webinar. Then I got connected, and within a next day only, I have taken the decision and joined this program. Since the day one, I'm literally very much enjoying my this journey, as well as learning whatever the techniques I'm learning, I'm implementing as well. So now I'm with that confidence started connecting with the clients.
Nice. So the client that you're currently in talk with, or what are the industries they are from? Like
I'm focusing on 3 industries. One is interior designer, fitness trainer, and third one is the makeup artist. These are the 3 industries where I'm
focused. With how many clients have you spoken?
I have connected over the call with 4 clients as of now.
So are they from different industries or different niche at the same niche?
Like in interior design, one is architect and rest 3 are interior designers.
Okay, so you're focusing more on interior design.
Yes, because I have well versed with that industry from last 12 years.
Okay, so
I know that.
In the previous, so how many years you have work experience in the corporate?
12 years.
12 years. Okay. And you wanted to shift get into digital marketing from last 3 years, you said, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So have you taken any other courses before? Have you done anything in the past?
Yes. I have like taken online courses from other platform as well. But when I compare those program with your program, it is totally different. Okay. Because I always keep you on telling this, because it's a more of practical rather than theoretical. So here it is a more of implementation. Okay. So how much have you invested in the past for courses and digital marketing and everything? To be frank with you, it is 1,15,000 plus 30 plus 15. So it's almost 1.6 lakhs. Okay, 1,60,000. 1,60,000. 1,60,000 you have invested in the past for getting into digital marketing. True. Did that really help you, or this program actually helped you? Which one really helped you with the right knowledge? To be frank, this program really helped me, because when I started this 30-day journey after pre-training, so when I saw the techniques which you're given to develop the website, now like whoever is going to see my website, they will tell, "Yeah, wow, beautiful! You've done a very good." No, even though I'm not a technical background, but I did very well. Like people who are seeing my Facebook, because a couple of my friends told, I want to have a Facebook page like you. Please, you help me to get into that. So this is what. So when I heard that, I will feel happy. Okay, now I'm getting results.
Great. So you're also started getting clients. So was
Yes.
it because of this program or because of the previous whatever courses that you've done?
Genuinely, it is because of this program.
Okay. Why is this one different than the old ones?
As I said, like it is more of implementation,
Hmm. Hmm.
because whatever you teach us, we have to implement immediately, then only we will get the result.
Correct.
This I have started from day one, because like even like when starting from the domain and setting up the all the social media platforms.
Got it. So website in how many days you completed?
Website I completed within 9 days, to be frank with you, within 9 days.
Nice. So have you also tried website in the past? Did you try all of this?
Yes, that time I spared by using WordPress only, but I was not, because the techniques which you're given are like you have to buy domain on your name, so it has to be branding of yours. So like that motivated me, and then yeah, like creating website on my own name, it motivates a lot.
Correct. Correct. Nice.
Rather than finding the googling the name for our website and thinking about that, better I have on my own brand. So now I send my link very proudly to my clients.
Yes. Nice. Amazing. What all skills, what is your experience so far in this 30 days?
Like
Just number.
yeah, like CEO mindset. That is the main thing, because because see, from last 12 years I'm having this only mindset of, yeah, I want to meet the client, I have to convert them into sales. Yes, sales is done. But here it is of mindset, because I'm running my own business. This is my business. So like talking to client, it has to be like I have like it took little bit of time initially to shift my mindset from like as a salesperson to a closer.
Correct. Correct.
The techniques which are given, like how the different the way you differentiate, or you put the difference between a salesperson and the closer. So it's a mind blowing, and the techniques to become as a CEO mindset, how to develop, how to become a CEO, how to have a CEO mindset, how we have to think as a CEO prospect. So that is a very good, and at top of everything, the closure, the height, like it's a amazing techniques you have given. So by using that techniques only, I've started talking to clients.
Yeah. What was your experience like talking to clients? Was that whatever I thought, was that 100% like exact the same?
Yes, like from like in that power flow closing structure, which are given 9 phases. So like I'm following the same phases. If the customer is going to take, if I'm in phase 2, and if suddenly customer jumps to any other phase, so I will come to know. So I will tell them, sir, in the beginning only I told you, like I'm going to take you the entire presentation.
Nice.
So because I want to understand more about your problems, so then only I can give a proper solution.
Nice. So
because we are more on service oriented.
Nice. So it's exactly, you're going in the right direction.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah. What are the skills that you've learned? One is mindset, you said, website closing. What else skills you learned in the first time?
Like first one is mindset, top of mindset. Then my own domain, setup of own domain, and setting up all the platforms, Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn. Then closing structure. When we have how to close the deal, because that's the more important to us. After learning all this implementation, so closing customer is the very important, because for business perspective.
Next, copywriting, Facebook ads. Have you learned?
Yes. Everything. Like whatever there in the model, everything. But like these are the main things which you are coming to mind.
Got it. Perfect.
And especially that copywriting techniques.
Okay.
Headline, title, subtitles. So very attractive, because when we focus on Facebook ads, yes, copywriting is the main thing, because the clients are going by using that copyright. So we're going to
and now in just 30 days, how's your confidence? How's your skills, knowledge, and everything?
See, knowledge wise, yes, I like now I can say, like now I've totally changed my way of talking, the way of approach, and like whenever I talk to any person for sale purpose prospect, I start, I have to talk as a CEO rather than as a salesperson.
Correct.
So it comes mainly. So like what I can say, like little bit of cautiousness. It will cautiousness back of the mind. It will become cautious. Like, yeah, I have to speak like this. I have to speak like that.
Nice.
Yeah, initially I used to get nervous. Like when you told me you have to go and approach the client, then I told, yeah, how I will approach for sales. Then I sat up one day. Then I thought, yeah, when I'm doing job, I used to meet unknown persons. So similar way, this is my business. I have to meet them. I have to talk with them.
So in your job, you said you're meeting unknown people. Were you into sales? You were into sales in your job?
Sales only. Sales.
Oh, okay. So you have sales background.
Yes.
Okay, so 12 years you worked. So is it almost sales you worked in the job?
Yes, it's sales only.
So 12 years you were in the sales job.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the reason this closing and the sales what I showed you is making a difference.
Exactly.
Nice. So if you had this structure, if you knew me 12 years back, what would happen in your sales career?
Today I would be like present. Like when I left, I was a zonal manager. I could be a director of some.
Wow.
Because I was zonal manager when I left my job.
Zonal manager, but you could have really become a director.
Yeah, exactly.
Now you are the director of.
Now I'm a CEO.
Yeah, you're
a CEO.
you're the director. Awesome. Use this. See, in the last 10 years, what I was using was okay. I was getting some sales, but what you have learned now is world class. Like
Yes.
before me telling, is that world class?
Yes. It is good. Because see, working for company and generating the business is more important than working for my own company and the like business as the go brand. I will also go.
Correct. Perfect. Awesome. So what you had to say about the community? Do you have anything that you want to
Yes,
share?
because I'm very happy that I have a very good community, freelance community. Since day one, I'm saying like we all are very active in proactive, not like proactive in this group. And whenever, even I also initially I got some errors, I put it, so like immediately I got the response. Even when I texted you also give me immediately response. You talk to like this or you approach in this way. So like also a couple of times I spoke to Bopanna as well. So like from day one, I'm getting good, like whatever the problem I have, immediately I'm getting a solution. And all are active.
Nice. So finally, what you had to say about the mentor?
Mentor, like I can say like till now, I used to have the mentors who used to support me, but now I'm having the mentor who is going to guide me how I'm going to be. So like since day, because whenever I like to be frank, last week we had a get together at my place. So one of my friend, he told me like, I saw your Facebook because I used to share my groups. So he told me, now I am also planning to want to have a digital knowledge. Then I said, you don't worry. When you decide, don't only talk. When you decide with your mindset, you come and tell me. I will connect with you, my mentor. I said.
Okay, thanks a lot. Perfect. So if you want to say the overall experience in one word, what word would you choose? World class, gold mine, diamond mine, powerful, worst, bullshit, time waste.
Platinum.
Okay, fine. Great. It was, great connecting. Now what you have to do is you've got your, initial client. You just have to get obsessed about one thing, your goal. Your goal is to get how many clients you want. You want to hit 2 clients, 4 clients, 5 clients. That is the only one focus you need to have. And if you have this focus in 2, 3, 4 months, yeah, you will hit your dream income 100%, no doubt.
I've clearly set my mindset by December, by Hopur Group, every month I have to earn 3 lakh rupees plus.
That's it. You're into sales background. You have 10 years of experience. On top of that, you're getting more knowledge now. By this, you should be able to easily close and you should be hitting 3 lakhs per month.
Yeah, I will.
Awesome. Amazing. So good to connect. See you in the weekly calls.